Hi friends, all are welcome to DR Recreation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the basic steps to do a small planted tank, nano size planted tank. This is the tank. So today we are going to discuss the steps which we should follow to do this type of planted tank. So far, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos. Okay, now we'll start. First, I have done this hardscaping. For that, I used aquarium soil, aqua soil as the substrate. Now I'm preparing my driftwood for the tank. This is a well seasoned one. I'm attaching some fern plants, needle leaf, narrow leaf, trident, and windelov ferns. If your wood is not well seasoned enough, don't directly put into the tank because it will cause to change the color of the water. Sometimes you may have noticed that when you add a wood to the tank, the water color change into brown. That is the reason is your wood is not seasoned enough. But you can season your wood fast. For that, you have to boil maybe for 2 to 3 hours. You should boil your wood. Then it will become seasoned wood. Now the wood is ready. Now I can add this to the tank. This is flat and simple hardscape. I'm going to place the wood. This is a carpeting plant. I'm using this Monte Carlo. You can use a tweezer to plant the carpet. Only two varieties of plants in this tank, fern varieties and Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo will spread past and will cover the entire base of the tank. Now the planting is done, I can add water. For that, I use a polythene sheet to pour water without harming the hardscape. Next time I will bring a new video to uh, show you the steps how to prepare a wood for a tank, how to boil it, and how to season the wood. So please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about my new videos. Now the tank is completed. I use a plant tank light and a DIY CO2 supply. The filter of this tank is a hang-on back filter. This is a small tank, so hang-on back filter also enough for the tank. Canister is the best filter for a planted tank, but for a small tank this filter also enough. This is my DIY CO2 supply. Okay, thank you very much for watching. We'll meet next time with new video.